Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Marina and today I'm going to open up some Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I did order all three because it's my birthday and Christmas present to myself, and my mom's being my assistant right now because she doesn't want to be in the video, and yeah, so let's just go ahead and dive on in. Hi guys, Marina from the future. I'm editing right now, so I just wanted to say a huge thank you to my mom for being in this video with me. I think it's super cute. I'm editing it right now and I just think it's adorable. Also that my hair is like half dry in this video, so it kind of looks crazy throughout it. Bear with that. Thank you so much, Mom, for being in this video with me. I think it's super cute and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So first I have the little mini box. It was originally $20, but because of the whole debacle with the flyer and everything, Jeffree Star did refund everybody, so I got this bad boy for free. Can't beat that, such a steal. So, woohoo. So looks like we have 818. It's a velour liquid lipstick, and I think that I already have this shade, so I will double check, and then if not, I will either regift it or maybe I'll do a giveaway for you guys. We'll see. So I did just check and I have it right here. So this is the unopened one, but this is what 818 looks like. It's from, I believe, one of his summer collections. And so let's do a swatch for you guys. And that's the color. It's very pretty. So, see if it'll focus. Hocus pocus focus, right? Ha ha ha. And last but certainly not least, so the reason we got a refund is because of these bad boys right here. A lot of people were upset because one of the flyers said each box was going to have one exclusive cosmetic item, and these seem to be stickers, but I don't know about you guys, but I think that these are so stinking cute. It's like old Sailor Jerry style tattoos. I'm totally living for it, and yeah, I'm very happy I got this box for free. Happy birthday to me! Ah. Next box, assistant, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, and then so in the medium-sized box, I'm not sure, I know it's medium. I think the biggest one was deluxe, but I can't remember what this one was called. So, anyways, in the medium-sized one, are you kidding me? So, next we have another set of stickers. Super cute. Alrighty. And then we did get the liquid frost in the shade Goddess. And I do actually have this shade. It was like one of the first liquid frost I bought from Jeffree. So far, it's a pretty good box, but it's kind of a bummer because I already have, you know what, 3 of the items, because I did see a palette in there that I got, but we'll see. So this is the liquid frost in the shade Goddess. It's a perfect, like, summer when you're tan and you want to be glittery and all that jazz. So let's see. It's definitely making my hand look orange, but we'll spread it all out. Get some glitter. I don't know, can you guys see the glitter? A little bit, not really. See my hairy arms, that's what you're seeing, but alright. Can you see the glitter on my hands? Can you see it? Can you see it? Alright, assistant, I think I might need some makeup wipes. They're in that little white thing. So it's dried down a little bit more. Move my head. Can you see the glitter now? Yeah, a little bit better. So that's the shade Goddess. So I'm gonna wipe my fingers off, and then let's get back into it. Was that you? Did you hear her? She just screamed. She opened up the biggest one. She doesn't even like Jeffree Star.
You're gonna scream.
I'm gonna scream. Woo! So, next item we got was this Blue Blood palette. I do actually have this. So this is what the Blue Bud palette looks like. This one is my personal one. I did do a collaboration with Heather Kaline. So if you want to, I will leave that linked up below or in top in one of the corners. So make sure you give that a check out or check that out. And then two things in the medium box. We have Queen Supreme, ooh, and this Mystery Holiday shade. This is one of the exclusive cosmetic items. It's such a pretty shimmery, it's almost like a poinsettia red. Ooh, that's pretty. And we have our Christmas party on what, Saturday? And I don't think that I have Queen Supreme. Oh my god, I'm a liar. I do. Are you kidding me? Alright, so we'll put that aside. This is my personal one. This is what Queen Supreme looks like. Oh. Kind of messed up that swatch, but very pretty. Almost like a lavender purple. Like a, or, yeah, a lavender baby pink. This is why I have my assistant here, guys. And last box, we have our deluxe. So let us pop her open! Ah! So we have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics 5-year anniversary hoodie. I have one of his other hoodies. It's the Can't Relate with the blunt on it.
She wears it all the time.
All the freaking time. And I love it, but I got this one in a small, the other one's in a medium. So this one should be probably better for like every day because it'll fit me a lot better. This is what I was talking to you about, mother. Next we have a peppermint metal straw with a little cleaner in her. Oh, and it says Jeffree Star right there. I'm sure you can't see it. Oh, there you go. I did a pretty good job. Awesome. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! I saw like one of the reviews, and this is the highlighter I really wanted. I was gonna order it, but then it was gone, and it was like right before they had the mystery boxes, and I got it, and I'm like, oh my god! So, so Candy Apple Drip Supreme Frost. And this is from the summer collection. It's such this pretty green, oh my gosh. It's a highlighter, yes ma'am. So, do a little swatcheroo. Oh. Oh, how pretty. I don't know if you can see the shift. It's like almost like a purple shift. I got so many colors on my tattoo and oh! Oh yes, bitch! Excuse me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Next we have two liquid or velour liquid lipsticks. We have First Class, which I do not have this one. It's a super pretty like gold. So take her out. I feel like maybe I should. So I'm right-handed, so that probably looked funny putting it on. My like left hand's shaking trying to put it back in the bottle. So it's a very pretty like gold. Almost kind of got brown in it too. I do also have this Thirsty palette. So this is my personal Thirsty palette. And it looks like this. I've used it just a couple times. I really like it, but I just haven't used it as much as I wanted to. I don't really know why, but we have some more stickers. And then we have the infamous limited edition Peppermint Frost palette. That is insane to me that some people are selling this on eBay for like $250. Like, y'all are insane if you're buying this for $250. I mean, it's super gorgeous. I've already seen a few openings, but let's pop her out. Ooh. Super pretty packaging. I do wish that there was a mirror in here. We have Chocolate Ice, Igloo Gold, and Ugly Sweater. So these are very pretty. Let's go ahead and try to swatch them. We'll do Ugly Sweater first. Ooh, that is gorgeous, darling. Igloo Gold. These seem like a lot softer than his normal Skin Frost formulas, which I'm not complaining about. So we have Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. Those are super pretty. I like those a lot. Awesome, I'm super excited, so set those. If I could have my lovely assistant join me right here, if she possibly could.
Like on camera?
Yes, on camera. Those are so pretty. So this is my mother. Say hi. So we're going to do some highlight. Which highlight would you want? Do you want the candy apple drip? The green? Or we can do Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, or Chocolate Ice. Make your decision.
I would say that one.
So Igloo Gold. Okay. All right. So that's like this really pretty one right here. So will you go ahead and tell the audience what you were telling me while I was doing my while I was blow drying my hair semi?
Well, when she had her head upside down, I saw the star in the back of her shirt, and it kind of looked like a phallus.
For the viewers who don't know what that is, I would not suggest you Google it unless you're ready to possibly see some phalluses. So I think it's hilarious. I've never thought of it like that. Never noticed that. So I think that's absolutely hilarious.
They can't see me.
Oh, I know. I'm like blocking it. So
Not that I care.
can you guys see that highlight? I don't know. I can't really. As I'm blocking it. And all right, turn that way. Okay. That looks pretty nice. So, look at me. So, yeah. Perfect. Let's go ahead and, I don't actually know if I have soft serve. I think soft serve is one of his summer collections. No, that's, I think Daddy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I don't have soft serve. So we'll go ahead and give her a swatch. I don't think we did a swatch of her yet. I don't know how I smelled it. They all smell like the same. Okay. I guess we'll let it dry down for a minute. It's very nice. Oh, it's kind of pale. What do you think?
I like it.
Mm-hmm. It's very nice.
It looks good on you, your skin tone.
Thank you. So that's awesome. I'm very happy with the mystery boxes. I'm kind of bummed that I got some of the same stuff, but I mean, I guess that's kind of what happens. I did see a couple unboxings where they had, somebody had got like one of his first palettes, the Androgyny palette, and I don't have that one, or Beauty Killer, but those are like some of his first ones. But I mean, I do have the Blood Sugar, Blue Blood, Thirsty, and the Jawbreaker palette, so I'm honestly not complaining at all. They're all gorgeous. So I probably will be doing a giveaway. Maybe, let's say, once I hit my first 100 subscribers.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah. Let me know what you guys think down below about the unboxings, the 3 boxes that we got. Let me know if you liked having my mom here. If so, we'll do some more videos together. Maybe some hair videos we've been talking about, makeup, you know, just a little bit of everything. So, I hope you guys like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!
Bye-bye!
I realized I didn't do any highlighters, so I really want to, try this green candy apple drip while we're just kind of talking. So I do have 44 subscribers right now, which is really awesome. Huh?
What about doing a giveaway at 50?
At 50? Well, that's only 6 subscribers away. What do you guys think? If I do that, I probably won't do a huge giveaway, but we will give away a, you know.
I do a big one.
You do a big one?
I would do a big one.
Yeah? Oh, Well, it definitely looks like a green streak across my face. They can see you leaning to the side. I don't know how to cut the video. That's part of the reason why I deleted the other video I uploaded the other day, because my bra was in it. I was hanging on that chair in the corner. Let me like brush this out really quick.
Is this supposed to look like that?
Yeah, well, it's green. So like this would probably be good in like a Beetlejuice video, because I've been like watching Trisha Paytas recently and she's like obsessed with Beetlejuice. So like maybe if I do like a Beetlejuice cosplay and like copy Trisha, or like if I actually have my contour done, or if I'm like, you know, maybe doing a shoot, what do you call it? Like a look? A look? Okay, well, she's sliding away. Bye! Would you like the rolling chair? I think we're gonna do, actually, oh my goodness! I got highlighter on my boobie.
I have a big old zit on the front of my face, and you let me be in on...
Girl, I don't have my glasses on.
Here.
What is this?
Oh, I put some on.
Oh, yeah, this is Calabasas. Let me know how you like it.
I don't like it. It's like dry.
Well, yeah, it's a matte.
I hate that.
Oh, well. It's supposed to, like, last all day.
Oh.
And through blowjobs. Blowing phalluses, I should say. And she's gone. Hi guys, Marina from the future. I'm editing right now. Oh god, I forgot what I was gonna say. Hold on.